this video, we will be talking about how to do a mic check as well as creating the ideal audio levels in Audacity. You should always do a mic check prior to recording on any microphone. This will allow you to make sure everything you say is clearly heard. To begin a mic check, you must click on the recording toolbar where the microphone and speaker icons are. If your microphone is properly set up with Audacity, you should see colors appear as you speak or make any noise. As you speak, you will notice that the volume of your audio will correspond to the length and color of the bar in the recording meter toolbar. The louder the audio segments, the longer the bar will reach. As the bar gets longer with increasing volumes, it will change from green to yellow to red. Green is generally a good sound level, though if the audio volume, also known as gain, is too low, it will still show as green. The best audio levels are when the green is on the verge of yellow. When the bar gets into the red territory, your audio is too loud. In general, you want to record the best sound quality possible, not too loud or too soft, as you will get the best final product when working with good sound files from the beginning. There's only so much you can do in post-production to edit and enhance poor sound quality. So, set yourself up for success by doing a mic check before recording. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials.